Hi everyone, this is Ramya Pradeep from Plants Villa. In this video, I am going to share with you all how to prepare homemade organic compost in a simple way. In order to make a organic compost, we need two containers like this. I have cut the bottom part like this. Take one more small water dispenser can. Through this tap, the drained liquid compost tea will come out. You all can use this liquid for the plants. This is a small metal filter to be put inside the big can. To prepare the most nutrient-rich organic compost, we need these ingredients: banana peels, veggie and fruit peels, crushed eggshells, cocoa peat, soil, old compost, small pieces of cardboard, dry leaves and neem leaves. Now place this small metal filter in the bottom of this big can, which has a small circular opening. I had this at home, so I am using it. Now layer the bottom of the can with old compost. If you don't have old compost, add soil itself. Along with cocoa peat, which is nothing but coconut fiber. This will fasten the decomposing process and adds beneficial microbes into the compost pile. Then add pieces of cardboard. Keep on adding dry leaves. They provide carbon, a necessary element for proper composting. Along with neem leaves, which is an organic pesticide for plants. And later add all leftover veggie and fruit peel waste. They are very rich in nitrogen, which is a very important and essential nutrient needed for our plant growth. Adding eggshells moderates soil acidity while providing nutrients for plants. They also contain calcium in abundance. Also add chopped banana peels, which have the highest organic source of potassium. And again top up with old compost, soil, cocoa peat, and dry leaves. You all should repeat this process until the can is filled to the top. After 2 months, the result is what you see here. Our homemade organic compost is ready. This compost bin should be kept outdoors, preferably in your terrace or balcony, but avoid keeping directly under sunlight and rainwater. Keep stirring the compost pile on a regular basis, like weekly once, as it helps to encourage the growth of the right kind of bacteria that will help the compost to decompose faster. This is the liquid compost tea, which is also a very good growth booster for the plants. Now we can directly put this compost to the plants in small proportions every 20 to 25 days time. Later on, you all can store this compost in any containers like this. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening. Bye.